Hi friends, it's an experimental walk. I have a peacock feather and I thought that I have to do something with this. So I used UV resin on it and made it hard. You can see this. Then I make the base of the pendant. So I use here aluminum wire. It is 16 gauge. Aluminum wire is so soft to work with. It is very easy to bend and I love to work with this wire. Tapping is necessary for this wire. It make it hard and it is very easy to flatten the base. If you follow my videos, you can see that I always try to do something different and something else. If you have any unique idea, you can share with me. Now I am wrapping the wire with my 26 gauge wire, and I wrap one wire 2 times and then the both wire 2 times. Then make a V shape here and wrap the each wire 2 times. I am separating these 2 wires because I make design with the wires and make different loops here. You should secure the both end of the wrapping wire. Now I am making the design of these 2 wires. You can see it is a very soft wire, that is why it is so easy to mold it and turn and do something with it. My pendant base is ready. Now I am making the front side or the front base of the pendant. I am giving a shape here. You can see that. Hammering is necessary for this front wire too. I have to wrap it in this way. Here is my peacock feather and here is the front base. Here I use 20 gauge wire for wrapping these two base wire and make some design here. Now I am wrapping this two wire with 26 gauge wire. My pendant is ready. If you like my work, please like and subscribe. Tata for now.